Hey Max, what do you do for fun?
For fun, my work, my sleep, I watch Netflix.
Those are not hobbies.
I know, but I do not know what else to say. And that is what we are talking about today.
We are talking about hobbies, what you do for fun, how to answer when people ask about your free time.
Because this question is everywhere. At parties, at work, or at coffee shops.
And it is also really hard because we do not know what counts as a hobby.
Do we need to climb mountains, play piano, build robots?
Or can we just say I watch TV and go for walks?
That is the question. Let me tell you what happened to me. I was at a party. I was talking to a woman. The conversation was going well. Then she asked me a question.
So what do you do for fun?
For fun? What do I do for fun? I work, I sleep, I eat, I watch Netflix. But those are not hobbies, are they? I do not really have any hobbies.
Oh, okay.
She looks at her phone. The conversation is dead.
Ouch!
Yeah, awkward silence. Very awkward.
Why did you say you do not have any hobbies?
Because I do not. I just work and sleep.
But that is not true. You do things.
Like what?
You cook, you go for walks, you watch documentaries.
But those are not hobbies. Those are just things I do.
That is exactly what hobbies are. Things you do. Things you enjoy.
This happens all the time. Someone asks, "What do you do for fun?" And you freeze.
Why? Because we think hobbies have to be special, interesting.
We think we need to say, "I climb mountains," or "I play piano."
But what if you just watch TV, go for walks, cook dinner?
Are those hobbies or are those just life?
This is the question that keeps us silent. We do not want to sound boring.
But here is the truth. Hobbies are just things you enjoy doing. That is it.
You do not need to be good at them. You do not need to compete. You just need to enjoy them.
Let me show you what I should have said. Same party, same woman, same question.
So what do you do for fun?
Well, I really enjoy cooking. I try new recipes on weekends, and I like going for long walks. It helps me think.
Oh, nice. What kind of food do you cook?
Mostly Italian. Pasta, risotto. I am not great at it yet, but it is fun.
I love Italian food. You should try making carbonara. It is easier than it looks.
And now you are talking. The conversation is alive.
See? Same hobbies. Cooking, walking, but I said it differently.
I really enjoy cooking. That is how you talk about hobbies. I enjoy, I like, I love.
I try new recipes means you experiment. You are not just cooking the same thing every time.
On weekends, that is when you do it. Saturday and Sunday, your free time.
It helps me think. You do it for a reason. It is relaxing. It clears your mind.
I am not great at it yet. This is important. You admit you are still learning. You are not an expert, and that is okay.
But it is fun. This is the key phrase. That is what makes something a hobby.
Now, let me show you a different situation. I am at a coffee shop. A guy sits next to me.
Hi, I am Tom.
Hi, I am Chloe.
What are you reading?
Oh, just a novel. A mystery.
Cool. Do you read a lot?
I try to, maybe 1 or 2 books a month.
Nice. I wish I read more. I never have time.
I get that. I listen to audiobooks. On my commute, it helps.
Oh, that is smart. What else do you do in your free time?
I go to yoga classes and I am learning Spanish. Well, trying to learn Spanish.
How's that going?
Slowly. Very slowly. But I like it.
I try to. You want to do it, but sometimes you do not. Maybe 1 or 2 books a month.
I wish I read more. You want to read more, but you do not. It is a regret, a wish.
I never have time. A common excuse. Everyone says this, everyone feels this.
Audiobooks. Books you listen to, not read. You listen while driving or walking.
On my commute, during your journey to work, the time you spend traveling.
I am learning Spanish. You are studying it now. You are not fluent yet. You are in the process.
Trying to learn. You are attempting, you are working on it, but it is hard.
Slowly. This is honest. You are not lying. You are not saying, I am fluent. You are real.
But here's the thing. Some people have no hobbies at all, and they feel bad about it.
I used to be like that. People would ask me what I do for fun, and I would think, nothing. I do nothing.
That is not true, Chloe.
I know that now, but back then I believed it.
What changed?
I realized I was looking for the wrong things. I was looking for capital H hobbies, big official hobbies,
Like what?
like playing an instrument, or doing sports, or painting.
But you do things you enjoy.
Yes, I watch movies, I try new coffee shops, I text my friends, I take photos on my phone.
Those are hobbies.
Are they? They feel so small.
They are still things you choose to do, things that make you happy.
I never thought of it that way.
Most people do not. They think hobbies have to be productive or big.
But they do not, they just have to be yours.
Hobbies are not about impressing people, they are about enjoying your time.
So when someone asks, what do you do for fun, you can say anything. Anything you actually do.
I walk in the park. I bake cookies. Or I play video games.
All of those are fine and real.
And if someone judges you, if they think your hobbies are boring,
Then they are not your people. Move on.
but most people will not judge. Most people will relate.
Because most people also watch Netflix, also go for walks, also do normal things.
You are not boring. You are human.
Here is something I learned. People do not remember what hobbies you have. They remember how you talk about them.
If you say, I love trying new coffee shops with excitement, they will remember your energy.
I just watch TV with shame, they will remember your embarrassment.
So own it. Whatever you do, own it.
Say it with confidence. Say it like it matters, because it does. To you.
And that is enough.
Let me show you one more thing. Sometimes people ask a harder question.
So, what are you passionate about?
I do not know.
Come on, everyone is passionate about something.
But I am not. Or maybe I am, but I cannot think of it right now.
This question is harder than what do you do for fun?
Because passionate sounds like you should have one big thing, one purpose.
But most people do not. Most people like a lot of small things.
So, what do you say?
I am passionate about learning new things. Or I am passionate about spending time with people I love.
Those are big enough, but also true for most people.
You do not have to have it all figured out. You do not have to know your life purpose.
You can just like what you like, and that is okay. The next time someone asks, "What do you do for fun?" say something, anything, even if it is small.
I like watching movies. Or I love trying new restaurants.
Say it with confidence.
And if you want, leave a comment. Tell us one thing you do for fun.
Thank you so much for listening. We're really happy you're being here.
Keep practicing. You are doing great.
See you next time.